So what is up mga ka-tech shop? So for today's video mga ka-tech shop, I have here an iPhone 13, no power, and as you can see the screen is kind of bulging, maybe because of the battery. So we'll be replacing battery for this iPhone 13. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go. So once again mga ka-tech shop, it's an iPhone 13 for battery replacement. So I attach the charger, no vibrate, and no sign of life basically. So we'll need to replace battery just to try if it's gonna work. I applied heat on the screen so I can remove it easily. It's gonna soften the glue or this, yeah, the glue, and using a screwdriver to remove a pentalobe screw. There's two pentalobe screw at the bottom of iPhone 3, and then a suction cup. This is actually an iPhone LCD opener. So we need to lift up the LCD just a little bit so we can insert the prying tool and then slice the glue inside the LCD. And then we'll use suction cup and slice through all the edges. Just be careful when slicing the edges of the LCD screen. We don't want to damage the LCDs because it's quite expensive. All right, and then so this LCD opener tool that I'm using, I'm gonna put it on the link on the description. I'm gonna put the link so you guys can also check, and if you're interested you might wanna add to cart. The first thing that we'll need to do is unscrew and remove the metal plate that protects the battery and the LCD. And then at the upper left side there's a metal plate that's as well that protects another cable for LCD. So we need to remove that one. Those screws are on different sizes, so you might want to change a screwdriver. Metal plate is out. Now we can remove the LCD. So for iPhone devices, there's a special tape that holds the battery. So we need to stretch the tape until it deattached to the battery. So I'm gonna remove first the speaker of the iPhone 13 and then start pulling out this special sticker that holds the battery. And later I'm gonna show you how to attach it with the new battery. Now we can lift up the battery. Just be very careful. And as you can see, the battery is bloated. So it could be that the battery is already old, or maybe the customer overcharged the battery. Now I ordered battery online. It's an original battery for iPhone 10 and up. There's a process before replacing new battery. You'll need to program it, but in this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it right away without programming it, because I'm not really an expert in replacing or programming a battery. And I mean, battery will still work as the same, but iPhone won't be able to detect the health of the battery. That's just the downside if you don't program the battery. So if in case customer wants to get that functionality back, they'll need to keep the original battery and then bring that original battery to the legit technician for Apple or Apple Store. Yeah. So see, battery is working here. Touch is also working, so we can go ahead and replace this battery. That's the special sticker. We need to attach it to the battery. Make sure to place it properly. And before attaching the battery, we'll have to clean the edges first. Remove all the old glue and then apply it with a new one. So cleaning the edges of the iPhone. Then let's attach the LCD. Let's start with the top one. Put back the metal plate. Metal plate is important for iPhones. And then the battery. And then metal plate that protects the battery and the LCD. Flex cable. And then let's test it. And it worked. And then let's put back the pentalobe screw. Alright, that's all it. If you're interested in this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And we'll see you on the next video. Let's go!